Welcome, you're watching our special telecast, State of War in Punjab, and this time the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to make inroads into the state. Already, national convener of Aam Aadmi Party and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is in the state, but intensifying the election campaign. And how? Take a look of how he's charging our Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi and praising Navjot Singh Sidhu. Importantly, announcements that are coming in is 1,000 rupees for every woman above the age of 18 will get that money as women empowerment scheme from the Aam Aadmi Party if they win. All of that in this report. The battle for Punjab is heating up. Arvind Kejriwal is wooing none other than Punjab Congress chief Navjot Singh Sidhu. He said that Congress is stopping Sidhu, who's raising issues faced by the public.
मैं उनकी हिम्मत की दाद देता हूँ। उन्होंने खुद ही कहा कि चन्नी साहब जितने वादे कर रहे हैं झूठ बोल रहे हैं, जितने ऐलान कर रहे हैं झूठ बोल रहे हैं। सिद्धू साहब जनता के मुद्दे उठा रहे हैं, लेकिन सारी कांग्रेस उनको दबाने में, पहले कैप्टन साहब उनको दबाते थे, अब चन्नी साहब उनको दबाने में लगे हुए, सारी कांग्रेस उनको दबाने में लगी हुई।
The Delhi Chief Minister also made a big claim, saying that 25 MLAs and 2 to 3 MPs from the Congress want to jump ship.
कांग्रेस में भी बहुत सारे लोग हमारे संपर्क में हैं, पर हम उनका कचरा लेना नहीं चाहते। उनके मैं चैलेंज कर रहा हूं, 25 MLA और 2-3 MP हमारे संपर्क में, वो आना चाह रहे हैं। तो ये गंदी राजनीति है।
The Delhi Chief Minister attacked his Punjab counterpart, Charanjit Singh Channi, accusing him of hijacking AAP's bold promises.
जब भी मैं कोई भी ऐलान करके आता हूँ तो 2 दिन कर देते हैं, तो मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि महिलाओं के लिए आज जो मैंने ऐलान किया है, 2 दिन बाद चन्नी साहब भी वो ऐलान करेंगे, झूठा ऐलान करेंगे। अभी तक जैसे उन्होंने एक भी अपना वादा पूरा नहीं किया।
The ruling Congress wasn't impressed by Kejriwal's pot shots.
दिल्ली का दम घुट रहा है, दिल्ली की स्थिति बद से बदतर हो रही है। AQI लगातार 400 के आसपास चल रहा है, लेकिन केजरीवाल साहब पर्यटन पर हैं, चुनावी पर्यटन पे हैं, कभी उत्तर प्रदेश, गोवा और आज पंजाब में जाकर के घोषणाएं कर रहे हैं।
And the Aam Aadmi Party is on the move. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Monday accepted an auto rickshaw driver's dinner invite.
सर, आप हमारे गरीब के ऑटो वाले के घर खाना खाने चलोगे?
भगवंत को ले आऊं?
सर जरूर।
और चीमा साहब, हम तीनों आएंगे।
ठीक है सर, बिल्कुल।
The Chief Minister insisted he will take the trip in auto driver Dilip Tiwari's vehicle itself. Kejriwal, flanked by AAP MP Bhagwat Mann and MLA Harpal Singh, had dinner with Tiwari's family at their residence. Kejriwal assured Tiwari that problems of taxi drivers and auto rickshaw drivers in the state will be resolved if AAP comes to power in 2022. The dinner ended with Kejriwal inviting Tiwari to his house in Delhi.
और अब मैंने इनको बोला है कि जब दिल्ली आए तो मैंने इनको इनवाइट किया है कि पूरे परिवार को मेरे घर पे खाने के लिए लेके आए।
On the hunt for votes in Punjab, Kejriwal is banking on SOPs. He's promised 1,000 rupees monthly to each woman in Punjab if AAP is voted to power.
पंजाब की हर महिला को, 18 साल से ऊपर की हर महिला को हर महीने 1,000 रुपए उसके अकाउंट में हम डलवाया करेंगे।
From wooing auto drivers to promising SOPs for women, Kejriwal is attempting a Delhi repeat in Punjab. While the campaign is on in full swing, the Aam Aadmi Party is still looking for a face to lead it in the state. Kejriwal may need more than just promises of SOPs to win over the people of Punjab. Bureau Report, India Today. But the highlight is exactly what Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who's also Aam Aadmi Party's convener, and Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi are indulging in as a face-off. Take a look now at what exactly has been said one by one to each other. So Arvind Kejriwal, initially remember when the loggerhead started, Charanjit Singh Channi said that Kejriwal is an outsider and that he knows nothing, and that Kejriwal has hit back with only Aam Aadmi Party knows how to resolve key issues. And so this has been at loggerheads, both of them, with Channi taking another jibe and Kejriwal, remember, even going ahead and taking an auto rickshaw drive as well. Let me now bring you what is happening with all the parties in Punjab, because that is the most important of how the political strategies are really playing out at this point. Let's begin with Navjot Singh Sidhu, because Navjot Singh Sidhu, while leading, has also been playing hardball within Congress party and takes a dig at Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi. Chief Minister Channi, on the other hand, at this point has been completely silent on the barbs that are coming with regard to Sidhu, and has been bolstering his own position. It's very interesting. He's the Chief Minister, but he's saying, I support Sidhu and I believe in him. What about Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi? What is the Congress party up to? They picked Sidhu, remember, they snubbed the captain, and now it appears they're unsure if this gamble will pay off or not. What about Captain Amarinder Singh, the one who was even likely to start his own party? He's open for an alliance with the BJP, according to our sources, but it will be importantly a prestige fight for the veteran Captain Amarinder Singh. Arvind Kejriwal trying to make inroads into the state of Punjab, and JP Nadda of the BJP also trying to make inroads into Punjab. JP Nadda will hope for gains that after scrapping farm bills, does it help the BJP or not? While Arvind Kejriwal is smelling an opportunity with the Congress in disarray, and that is why pledging freebies and praising Sidhu but dissing the Congress. What about the Akali Dal that have been in power for a long time in Punjab? Badals and Akalis are trying to regain lost ground, but it remains to be seen if the farm laws are scrapped, on which they were protesting. How does that really turn out for the Akali Dal? So after the break, I want to get to what Akali Dal has said about Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Remember, Aam Aadmi Party slowly and steadily making announcements, making promises. But is the Akali really fighting them out? Will it be able to, or has Aam Aadmi Party managed to make some difference? Will it be able to cut votes for Akali? And then who will benefit in all this after the break? Let's take a look at all other political stories in the state of war in Punjab. Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal launched a direct attack on Kejriwal by questioning him on his election promise that he made in Delhi, and accused him of not fulfilling any of those and coming in Punjab to make more promises. Badal has asked why the Aam Aadmi Party has not declared a chief ministerial face yet. Aam Aadmi Party's national convener Arvind Kejriwal, who is campaigning in Punjab presently, has said Aam Aadmi Party will improve the condition of the government schools in Punjab. Kejriwal has added he will resolve the issue of non-payment of teachers of government schools on an emergency basis, as they have been protesting. Former Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh once again challenging Navjot Singh Sidhu to contest elections against him from Patiala in the State Assembly elections. This comes after the captain announced that he will be fighting from his family bastion of Patiala.